Comprehensive Marble Run Toys comparison. Marble Run toys are more than just playthings. They are dynamic tools for STEM learning, creativity, and problem solving. These toys promote spatial reasoning, engineering skills, and patience while offering hours of entertainment. In this comparative review, we analyze 5 popular Marble Run sets, ranging from budget-friendly options to premium models, to help you find the perfect one. List 1. The National Geographic Glowing Marble Run is a mid-range set priced at $34.99. This kit includes 80 construction pieces and 15 glow-in-the-dark marbles, making it an exciting option for kids who enjoy building in low-light environments. The set also comes with a handy storage bag, which adds convenience for cleanup and portability. As an Amazon exclusive, it offers good value for money and is marketed as a STEM gift for children. In testing, the glow-in-the-dark feature stood out as a highlight, adding a unique visual appeal. However, while the pieces are sturdy, they can be somewhat challenging to snap together for younger children, requiring adult assistance. The design encourages creative play, but the lack of advanced features like motorized parts limits its long-term engagement for older kids. Overall, this is a solid choice for families seeking a straightforward, fun, and educational Marble Run experience. List 2. The Picasso Tiles 108PC Marble Run is a versatile and innovative set that combines magnetic tiles with traditional Marble Run pieces. While the price is currently unavailable, it is positioned as a premium option within the magnetic toy segment. The set allows for a 3-in-1 configuration, enabling users to build marble runs, car racetracks, and other creative structures. Its magnetic design adds a layer of uniqueness and encourages open-ended play. During our review, the magnetic tiles proved to be a game changer, offering stability and ease of construction. This set is particularly suitable for older children who enjoy experimenting with different designs. However, the reliance on magnetic connections may limit the height and complexity of structures compared to traditional interlocking systems. Additionally, the absence of glow-in-the-dark or motorized features may make it less appealing for younger kids seeking more dynamic play. List number 3. The Join 236 Pieces Marble Run is a feature-packed set priced at $39.99. With 236 pieces, including 30 glow-in-the-dark marbles and a motorized elevator, this set offers exceptional value for its price point. The motorized elevator adds a mechanical element that keeps the marbles in continuous motion, enhancing the play experience and encouraging engineering curiosity. In practice, the motorized elevator functions smoothly, providing a dynamic and engaging experience. The glow-in-the-dark marbles worked well in dim lighting, and the variety of pieces allowed for intricate designs. However, the motor requires batteries, which are not included, and the plastic construction, while decent, felt less durable compared to higher-end models. This set is ideal for kids who enjoy interactive and visually stimulating play. List number 4. The VTEC Adventure Park Challenge is the premium option in this lineup, priced at $98. This electronic marble run features 96 building pieces and 10 marbles, with color-coded construction elements that guide assembly. It also includes interactive features such as lights, sounds, and a variety of challenges to keep kids engaged. Designed for children aged 4 and up, this set emphasizes both fun and education. During testing, the electronic features added a new dimension to the Marble Run experience, making it highly engaging for younger users. The color-coded pieces simplified the building process, reducing frustration for beginners. However, the higher price point may be a barrier for some families, and the limited piece count restricts the complexity of designs. This set is best suited for younger children who benefit from guided, interactive play. List 5. At just $19.99, the 110-piece Marble Maze Kit is the most budget-friendly option in this review. It includes 60 marbles and a variety of building blocks, making it a great starter set for younger children. The set emphasizes STEM learning and is designed as a birthday gift for kids aged 3 to 8. While the price is attractive, the construction quality reflects its budget nature. The pieces are lightweight and less durable, which may lead to frustration during assembly, Additionally, the lack of advanced features like glow-in-the-dark marbles or motorized components limits its appeal for older kids. This set is best for families seeking an affordable introduction to marble runs without significant investment.